Hello guys, Be here with lalalandcrafts, and today we're gonna be making this triple diamond card. And do not worry, it is easier than it looks. Then you can open it like this, and there you have it. Oh my goodness, so cute, I love it. And then on the other side it's decorated as well, and you can add a white cardstock here, score in the middle, and you can write your message to whoever you're giving this card to. I am using for this card the Candy Shoppe paper pack. Is absolutely fantastic. I mean, oh my goodness, if you're a rainbow lover like I am, then you are going to love these papers. And I'm also using dies from the January release, and my stamps are also from the January release. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to start with 2 pieces of cardstock, and I have chosen this lime green because it goes fantastic with the Candy Shoppe pattern paper. And these 2 pieces need to measure 11 by 5.5. And we're gonna do some scoring and some cutting. So make sure to bring your scoring table out and let's do some scoring. Okay, so I got my scoring table out, and we are gonna be doing a couple scoring lines. So go ahead and align your paper, and we are going to be scoring at the 2 3/4 mark, and then we're gonna go to the 5.5 mark, and then to the 8 3/8 mark. I'm gonna repeat the exact same thing with the other piece of cardstock. Now we need to find the halfway point of this, which is 2 3/4. So what I do is just put my paper there, and at the 2 3/4 mark, I'm just gonna do a little mark there, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, 2 3/4 mark, and then again I'm gonna repeat that same thing with my other piece of cardstock. Now you're gonna grab your ruler, and from this scoring mark right here all the way to here, you're gonna do a diagonal line, and again from here to here, from here to here, here to here, and you're gonna repeat the exact same thing with the other cardstock. Okay, now that we have all our lines, we're gonna go ahead and cut out these parts of code from here to here, here to here, the same here with this and this. You should have 2 pieces that look like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do some folding with both of them. So this is your piece of one of your pieces of cardstock. So this side you're gonna fold it in, and with your bond folder, crease it. Then this one goes in, and again crease it. I mean out. So in, out, and then this one like so, like kind of like an accordion. And then with our other side, we're gonna do the exact same thing but opposite. So this one goes in, this one goes folded in, Make sure that this flushes together like so. And then this one out. So you should have the two pieces like this. Now we're gonna do some cutting, okay, to glue this all together. So you also need 3 pieces of solid cardstock that are 3 5/8 square. So this one, it's gonna be here in the middle, like so, and these two to the sides. And then I cut some pattern paper from that at the carnival paper pack, and they measure 3.5 square, and I cut these 3. So let's go ahead and put these together. And the easiest way that I found to put the middle piece together, because you're just gonna put it glue it here, right? But this is gonna keep separating. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna flip this around, try to align as best as you can, and then with washi tape, masking tape, or whatever it is that you use, you are gonna tape this and then flip it around, and we can glue that a middle square or diamond piece, I guess. So let's go ahead. We're gonna add some glue to these, and you're gonna glue it as best as you can in the middle, right there. So I'm gonna use my wet glue as always. Okay, now here we can remove our washi tape. Now these 2 pieces, we're just gonna glue to this half of the triangle and this half of the triangle. So like this and like this. And then we're just gonna add our pattern paper on top of them, and it's time to decorate. I then cut 6 pieces of paper that measure 2.5 by 5 3/8. And this is just to these sides, not to leave them like that. You just need 6, 4 for the front and then 2 for the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue them down and come back and show you. Okay, so I have colored all my images and the die cuts as well that I have used for this card. All the colors that I use are in the description box below if you want to use the same ones. I wanted to make my frogs different colors, and like not all frogs are the same color, right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of white gel pen to this, and we're gonna position them in our card. I'm gonna speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. So I'm just gonna play around with my pieces and see exactly where I want to put them. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. It's exactly how I thought it was going to turn out. And then you can just fold it and make an envelope for it, and then you can open it, and it's also on this side decorated. You can add paper here, score it in half, add it in here, and write a message. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, are you making this card with me? See you next time.